Good morning, guys. Me and Riley just finished getting ready. Because we have our longest drive of the trip, I think, today. We're going to, hopefully, Glacier Lagoon and Diamond Beach and a waterfall. So we're about to head up. We actually got up at a decent time this morning. So, and I'll take you guys along on the drive. Because there's a big old waterfall, which we're going to look at on the way back. Okay, so yesterday we stopped at a gas station and got these little, like, what we thought were going to be little strawberry cakes, and they were in fact cherry blossom, like, cakes, and they were the best thing I've ever had. Me and Riley were really impressed with them. So we were getting hungry, we stopped at a gas station, they didn't have them, so we went to the nearest grocery store and we found a big one. So we're gonna eat that for our, I guess, breakfast snack, since we've been driving for like ever. We had to pull over because we saw this. I don't know if you can see it because I can't really see what I'm filming, but there's a giant glacier behind us and a rainbow. Half of the rainbow's over there, and then you got this huge glacier. So we just made it to Glacier Lagoon, which is full of glaciers. We took a lot of photos and it's really cool. We saw some food trucks, so we probably go and get some snacks. And Diamond Beach is like down there, but I didn't see any ice when we drove in, so I don't know if there's gonna be anything good, but we're gonna check it out anyways. There's Riley, all the way back there. Needs to make up some ground. This is glacier. It's very cold. Reynisfjara beach, the black sand beach. The waves, you can't really see it, there we go. And the trolls and the big cliff and stuff. I think we're gonna go explore some and try not to get eaten by the waves. We're just hanging out, just chilling, and these giant basalt columns across the view. Riley almost got ate by the ocean, but he survived. So we're leaving the beach. It was really fun and cool. I have to go dump like a pound of sand out of my shoes, but it was a good time. I'm really mad. I didn't know you could camp here. I totally would have camped here. I'm still really jealous But all these people get to camp here in Iceland next to this giant waterfall. It's freezing, but totally worth it. We made it. So, kind of hard to tell, it's dark out now, but I got real close to that waterfall and got soaked. And we're gonna go home now because it's freezing. I'm freezing because I'm soaked. But I thought it would be a good place to end today's video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.